Is it possible to predict the next global recession with the same accuracy as predicting the weather? With AI making strides in real-time data processing and predictive analytics, we may be closer than ever to understanding economic downturns before they happen. But how reliable are these AI systems, and do they really have what it takes to forecast the global events that shape our financial world? Let's explore the truth behind AI's role in predicting recessions. The promise of AI in economic forecasting. AI's role in economic forecasting has gained traction due to its ability to process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds. Machine learning algorithms can analyze patterns in financial markets, consumer behavior, and geopolitical events to provide insights into economic trends. AI systems are capable of sifting through data points that would overwhelm human analysts, allowing for real-time analysis of economic conditions. By processing historical data and recognizing recurring patterns, AI models can predict potential downturns or shifts in economic trends, providing governments, businesses, and investors with valuable foresight. The ability to recognize patterns in economic cycles before they become evident to human analysts is one of AI's most compelling features. For instance, AI could potentially detect subtle changes in market sentiment or global trade flows that precede a recession, giving decision-makers an edge in preparing for economic slowdowns. Machine learning models and economic data analysis. One of the key ways AI could potentially predict recessions is through machine learning models that analyze vast amounts of economic data. These models are designed to identify patterns, correlations, and anomalies within data sets that may not be visible to the human eye. For example, AI algorithms can process historical data on stock market performance, employment rates, interest rates, and other macroeconomic indicators to detect early warning signs of a recession. Unlike traditional methods that rely on predefined models and assumptions, AI can adapt and evolve as it processes more data. This adaptability makes AI particularly powerful in analyzing complex, nonlinear relationships within the economy. By continuously learning from new data, machine learning models can improve their predictions over time, increasing their accuracy and reliability. As these models become more refined, they could provide more timely and precise alerts about potential recessions, allowing governments and businesses to take proactive steps before the economy enters a downturn. AI's limitations in predicting global recessions. Despite its potential, AI is not infallible. The complexity of global recessions makes them difficult to predict with complete certainty, and AI systems are no exception. Recessions are influenced by a wide range of unpredictable factors such as political events, natural disasters, or sudden shifts in global trade. While AI models can identify patterns in historical data, they cannot account for the myriad of external variables that may trigger or exacerbate an economic downturn. For instance, AI could accurately predict a downturn based on certain economic indicators, but an unexpected political crisis or a pandemic could quickly alter the trajectory of the economy. These black swan events, which are rare and difficult to predict, pose significant challenges for AI models. Furthermore, the quality of the data used to train AI systems is critical to their accuracy. If the data is flawed or incomplete, the AI model's predictions could be off, leading to incorrect conclusions about the likelihood of a recession. Combining AI with human expertise for more accurate predictions. While AI holds great promise in predicting recessions, it is unlikely to replace human expertise entirely. Instead, the most effective approach may be a hybrid model that combines AI's data processing capabilities with the insights and intuition of human economists. Human analysts can interpret the social, political, and psychological factors that may not be immediately visible in the data, but are crucial for understanding economic trends. By combining AI's ability to process large data sets with human understanding of economic theory, history, and geopolitical dynamics, it's possible to create a more nuanced and accurate prediction system. For example, AI can highlight patterns and anomalies in the data, which human experts can then analyze and interpret within the broader context of the global economy. This collaborative approach could provide a more balanced and reliable forecast of economic downturns. The future of AI in recession prediction. As AI continues to evolve, its potential to predict recessions with greater accuracy will only increase. Advances in natural language processing, sentiment analysis, and real-time data collection could allow AI systems to better understand global economic conditions and provide even more refined predictions. In the future, AI models could integrate not only economic data, but also geopolitical events, social media trends, and public sentiment, further improving their forecasting abilities. Moreover, as AI technology improves, we may see the development of more specialized models that focus on specific economic sectors or regions. These models could provide localized recession predictions, offering businesses and governments a more tailored approach to managing economic slowdowns. While AI may not have all the answers, its ability to process vast amounts of data and learn from past trends makes it a valuable tool in the ongoing effort to predict and prepare for global recessions. AI and real-time data analysis, the edge in early warning systems. One of AI's most significant advantages in predicting global recessions lies in its ability to process and analyze real-time data. Traditional economic models often rely on historical data and set timelines to detect potential signs of a downturn. However, AI goes a step further by continuously processing real-time data from various sources such as financial markets, social media, news articles, and even satellite imagery. By constantly tracking these data points, AI can identify subtle shifts in economic sentiment or market behavior that may indicate an impending recession. For example, AI can analyze fluctuations in consumer sentiment or changes in global trade patterns almost immediately, offering businesses and governments the ability to take preemptive action before the negative impacts of a recession take hold. This real-time analysis allows for a much faster response compared to traditional methods, making AI an invaluable tool for spotting recession risks early and acting on them swiftly. The role of AI in predicting sector-specific recessions. While predicting a global recession is a monumental task, AI has the potential to forecast sector-specific downturns with greater precision. Different industries experience recessions at different times and in varying degrees. For instance, the tech sector might face a slowdown due to supply chain disruptions, while the hospitality industry could suffer due to changing consumer behavior. AI can analyze sector-specific data, such as production levels, employment trends, consumer demand, and investment flows, to predict downturns within individual industries before they affect the global economy. By utilizing machine learning models that specialize in individual sectors, AI can provide early warnings to businesses and policymakers, allowing for more targeted and effective responses. In this way, AI doesn't just help predict broad economic recessions, but can also pinpoint which industries are most at risk, offering a more granular and detailed understanding of the economic landscape. AI and global economic interconnections. Understanding the bigger picture. Global recessions are rarely caused by a single event. They often arise from a complex web of interconnected factors. Trade disruptions, geopolitical tensions, shifts in consumer behavior, and changes in financial markets, among others. AI has the capability to analyze these interconnected elements in real time, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the global economy. By processing data from various countries and sectors, AI can identify potential risks or emerging threats that could trigger a global downturn. For example, an economic slowdown in one major economy, like the US or China, can have a ripple effect across the globe, affecting supply chains, international trade, and market sentiment. AI can help trace these connections and forecast the potential impact of local economic shifts on a global scale. By leveraging data from diverse sources, such as global trade flows, foreign investments, and cross-border financial transactions, AI can offer early warnings about the risks of a global recession before they become widely apparent. This holistic approach gives businesses, governments, and investors a clearer picture of how local events could evolve into worldwide economic disruptions. As AI continues to evolve, its ability to process vast amounts of data in real time and adapt to emerging economic trends makes it an invaluable tool for predicting both global and sector-specific recessions. While the technology is not foolproof and cannot predict every economic downturn, it offers a more proactive approach than traditional forecasting methods. The key to successfully navigating future recessions may lie in integrating AI with human expertise, creating a hybrid forecasting system that is both responsive and nuanced. As we move forward, AI will play a crucial role in shaping the way we understand and prepare for the global economy's inevitable fluctuations.